talked about phone holders, phone mounts, and phone charging and stuff like that. And I think that there is room for improvement in the Polestar 2, and that's where these come in. I know some of you charge your phone down here, and it charges your phone and all of that, but then there are some of us who doesn't want to have your phone down here. We want to see the phone. I want to see my phone. So that's where these come in. If you find these designs interesting and useful, and you want to buy these, you can get them on Carl's 3D. But I'll put a link for that in the description, so you can check them out. They cost €4. I think that's a fair price. I think it's €4 plus VAT. So we're gonna do the red one. Gonna install that one, and I'm probably gonna say red. That's an awesome color. I love that. Don't go with the black. So we're gonna do this one, and like I said, this is the two-part design. There is a notch on this part that protrudes like into here, and then you just glue them together with some transparent no drip super glue. It's easy, or 2-component epoxy. Push the MagSafe in here, and it's supposed to go until it's flush here. It's supposed to protrude a little bit on the outside. Next up, I'm gonna get some double-sided tape. You should not use the foam tape, because when you remove it, it's gonna leave a lot of residue. So you're gonna use something like the Tesa Outdoor. That one is good. You're gonna need to put maybe like 3 or 4 pieces. We need to have it on here, in the top, and on here. Of course you could put more, why not? So if you print this yourself, if I didn't mention, you need to have support. You could print it in maybe 0.2 millimeter layer height. That's what I printed in. So let's see if I can get this on there on the first try. As you push this on there, be careful, because if you push on the screen, on the edges, you see that it affects the screen, so don't push too hard. Plug this guy in, and you know I want to have my cables hidden. That should be fine. Okay, so I figured for all of you I would just put the black one on here for this little test we're gonna do to see if the phone stays on the MagSafe. We can also see like how easy it is to remove this one, but it will stay on there because of the tape. Red one is gone. Pop the MagSafe in. You should start with always start with a cable. Put that one in, and then push that one in. Okay, so I put the black one on, and this is what I like the best about this. Like, that is so easy to hang it on there, and then if I need it for anything, it's super easy to just take it off. But I figured we would drive for maybe a minute or so. We got super bumpy roads here because of all the snow, and we should see if it falls off.
Yep. Snö falls off.
Okay. Oh, the full of Polestar. Do you think he lets us out?
Oj, oj. Oj.
Oh, super bumpy roads. Oh, and here's more. Anyhow, so it seems to be staying on just fine. I mean, it should be staying on just fine. And yeah, I think that's all for this video. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or comments, put them down below, and maybe I will talk to you in the next one.
Stop.